Hello everyone, I'm the founder of Shift. Just a quick intro. Shift is an AI app that lets you edit text and code on the spot anywhere on the laptop with all the AI models. I'm just going to show you a quick intro of the whole concept. You simply select the text. For example, I have a code here, and then you do right side double shift key. This is going to appear. You choose your model. I'm going to choose 3.5 haiku here. And I can say, for example, add comments to this code and rewrite. So this is just a simple example. It can be used on Excel, documents, Words. It can be used on many things, on all code editors, Vim. It's really, there's no limits to it. So that as you can see, it printed it replaced it here. And but today I wanted to focus specifically on the shortcuts feature because I added something cool for Claude. So shortcuts is when you want to link a specific prompt that you use repetitively to a specific keyboard on your laptop. So as you can see, we have all the models here. I'm going to go with Claude here, and we have many types of shortcuts. Double press, 2 keys. You can customize it. For example, if I want a shortcut with L Shift, L Command to activate, you can choose that. I like R Command or Shift. And you can write your prompt here, like I can do optimize this code and reduce its time complexity and rewrite. You can also expand if it was a long prompt. I think this is pretty good, but I recently added 3.7 Sonnet, but there's a twist to it. You can enable or disable thinking mode, but that's not all. You can also customize the thinking budget and the max tokens that you want to use. So if you do this is too much, because this thinking budget has to always be lower than max budget, max output tokens. So I'm going to just create it. You can see all the information here. You can even create more, but I'm going to go here and do this on this code. You select the code or text. You do the R Command or Shift, and as you can see, it's doing its thing. It's going to take a while because it's thinking, and I think I put too many tokens for it this time. So it's gonna take longer, but yeah, there you go. This is some formatting issue here, and there we go. It did that for us, and yeah, that's just a general example. If your prompts were very long and specialized, you can create. There's a center for all the prompts called library, where you can just give it a title, write your very specialized prompts, add the documents. The text is going to be extracted automatically, and you can also sort them through whatever you want, and then you can reuse them in here. For example, if I want, I can make another one with L Command or L Shift, and here there's a select library prompt where you can see all the titles. So now you don't have to really copy paste anymore. It's just a hub for prompts that you can reuse, edit, and just place them in different types of combinations. So if I do Excel here and create the shortcut, it's going to give it icon of books, meaning it's from library. And if I go on Excel, again, it can also work on Excel. If I go on Excel and choose my my table and do the command, it's going to do it for me. I actually had to give it some, I think I had to give it some space. Let's do it again here, like this. So it's going to calculate, the prompt was to calculate the average value of each column and add a row of the average values. So as you can see, it created an average value for each column that it had here. It can do a lot of other things. I can just tell it to, again, right double shift for general purposes, set it up to GPT-4o, do a log transformation on this table's data and rewrite it. So now we wait, and there you go. It did a log transformation on all the values. I'm just going to do Control Z, and yeah, that's pretty much Shift. It's there's a limitless possibilities since there's no app you can't use it on. It can be used on Twitter. It can be used everywhere. I can just go on Twitter and just choose a model, like, I don't know, 3.7, and then write a funny tweet about, I don't know, Shift. And it knows about itself, of course. So I think it's gonna try using regular keyboard shortcuts today. that's all. That's kind of funny because we're talking about shortcuts, and now it's also that's pretty cool. But yeah, I think it's funny. So yeah, that's Shift. There's a lot of features I did not explain, but this was only about prompts, shortcuts. Later on, I can explain many other features and the customizations you can do. And you can actually download the app from shiftappai.com if you're interested. Thank you so much. Have a good day.